it comes on to pampering myself, I like to take the time to do this on the weekend. And I normally do a full body scrub. Now, I also like to make my own DIY body scrub. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. Now, this body scrub you can use on your body from your neck all the way down to your toes. It is an invigorating body scrub that's going to have to get rid of the dead skin cells. It's also going to have to brighten the skin, and it's also going to help your skin to feel smooth. It also have an amazing fragrance. So if you're looking for an homemade body scrub so that you can pamper yourself this weekend, this scrub is for you. So do not click off. Continue watching for the full detailed recipe. To make this recipe, you're going to need a small bowl. You're also going to need a small blender or a grinder, grater. And you're also going to need a jar for storing. Today we're going to be using rice, and we're using white rice. Rice contains exfoliating properties which will clear the skin of pigmentation, get rid of grease and dirt from the skin, and also help to tighten and firm the skin. You can use any rice you have, whether you have brown rice, white rice, purple rice, it doesn't matter. So here in our bowl, we have about a cup of rice, and what we're going to be doing, we are going to be blending this to a powder. So reach for your blender and let's pour our rice in. One cup of rice, and now we're going to cover and we're going to blend. Now, a good substitute for the rice is white sugar. So you can choose to use rice, or you can choose to use some white sugar. Now, after blending, let's pour this out. And now we have our blended rice, which is what we're going to use to make our body scrub. And this, you can actually feel the granules in this rice, and this is how you want it to be. Now take a look at my second ingredient, and here I have some sea salt, and we're using this sea salt for its invigorating effect. Sea salt will help to boost a circulation, and it will also help to get rid of the dead skin cells from the skin. So we're going to use a tablespoon of the sea salt, 1 tablespoon. Pour this in. And now we're going to mix the two together. So we're mixing blended rice and sea salt. Mix well. Totally mix the two together. Now once this is done, let's put this aside and reach for our next ingredient. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have a lime, and I also have a lemon. Today I'm going to be using both in this recipe. We're going to be using the zest of the lime and the zest of the lemon. So let's go wash our lemon and lime. Now after washing our lemon and lime, the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to zest. So let's reach for our grater, and to zest the lemon, all you need is the yellow part. So let's grate. Now, lemon is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C will help to clear the skin of grease, dirt. It will also help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. Vitamin C is amazing for clear, beautiful looking skin. Now, take a look. Here we have our lemon zest. And now let's move on to our lime. We're going to zest the lime also. Now lime is also rich in vitamin C. It contains a citric acid, which will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. Lime and lemon are amazing for beautiful skin. And not only that, they have an amazing fragrance. So here we have our lemon, and we also have our lime zest. Let's just pour this in our container. And this is it. Lemon and lime. Now let's put this aside. Now we're reaching back for our rice and salt mixture. And what we're going to do, we are going to add our lemon and lime zest to the mixture. Pour that in, leaving a little for decoration. And now we're going to blend this in. Just blend in your lemon and lime zest in the mixture. This is our dry mixture. You can also use some dry orange peel. However, the fresh lemon and lime zest give this a really amazing fragrance. Now once this is done, we are going to now add some liquid to this. Now we have several different oils that we can use in this. You can choose to use avocado oil. You can use some grapeseed oil. You can use coconut oil, or you can mix them together. You can even use some almond oil. Just use any two of your favorite oil. You can even use some corn oil. You can even use some soy oil, okay? Any form of a vegetable oil will do. My oil of choice today is a little bit of both. So I'm going to start out with 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil. And my next oil is avocado oil. These are my two. As I said, use the two of your choice. And I'm also going to do 2 teaspoons of the avocado oil. And now we're going to work this in slowly. Take your time. Do not rush it. And do not be too quick to add more oil. So slowly work it in. Take your time and work it in. Remember, this is a body scrub that we're making. So mix well. Amazing. Now, we have one more special oil to add to this. And here I have a vitamin E. And vitamin E is hydrating to the skin. Not only that, it helps to keep your DIY project like this much longer. So we're using 1 capsule. You can use any vitamin E oil you have. So go ahead and let's get this one in. So let's squeeze this in. Let's squeeze our vitamin E in. Oh, and this have a lot in it. This is about a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And now, continue to mix. Now the lemon and the lime give this an amazing fragrance. However, you can choose to add some essential oils, which is optional. You can add some eucalyptus, you can add some lavender, you can have some orange. It doesn't matter, just choose whichever. I'm gonna add some orange essential oil, just a few drops, no more than 3 to 4 drops. And now we are gonna mix this in, totally blend this in. As I said, take your time and work the oil in the mixture so you're mixing well. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the coconut oil, another teaspoon of the coconut oil. And now this should be good. Yes, this is now good. So add a total of 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Use your discretion. If you want more oil, add a little bit more oil. You don't want it to be too watery, nor do you want it to be too dry. And now our body scrub is ready. Now let's reach for our storage jar. And let's scoop this in our storage jar. And scoop it out. And let's reach for a little bit of our leftover. Just sprinkle it on the top. This part of it is just for decoration. And take a look at that. Here you have your body scrub. Invigorating body scrub. Now use this 3 times per week in your shower. Give yourself a good body scrub at the end of the week. This will do the trick. And use this up within 7 days. Remember, add your favorite oil and add your favorite essential oils. Go ahead, make this, whip it up, and use it up.